Goal setting is the process of deciding what you'd like to accomplish and then make a plan to achieve the desired result. Now, while everyone has goals and aspirations, not everyone knows how to achieve those goals. Goal setting is a structured process. First, you decide on a goal. Then you create a plan to get to that goal. And finally, you put your plan in action. It is this final part of the process that presents the most problems for many people. They easily set a goal and even devise a plan to get there, but hit major roadblocks when executing their plan. This video course is your know-all guide to setting goals and creating successful strategies to achieve those goals. Topics covered here will take a look at both personal goals for individual success and business goals to improve your business rather than any aspect of personal life. While both types of goals have different purposes, the essential goal-setting process presents no major differences. In fact, the same goal-setting formula and strategies work for personal as well as business goals. So without further ado, here's what you need to know about the strategy to execution process.